I'm gonna go 3E.
I was gonna say 3E.
Let's go 1B, Tom Jones.
I'll go with 4B because of Gareth Bale.
2D I'll probably go.
Where's Chris?
Oh, Nessa
Oh, 1B though by Tom Jones.
It's quite hard.
though.
3E, final decision.
2D, please.
Can I get an aisle seat though?
I'm gonna go
3E, I'll switch with
2D.
Rob though.
4E. 4B.
Really? Wait, 4B, okay.
Yeah, 4B.
Are you zooming in on my face? What have you done? 4B.
1B.
4E. I would love to sit next to Ruth Jones. And Tim Cahill, what a legend.
Kylie Minogue, some singing, and then speak to Gareth Bale.
Yeah.
1B would be quite good as well.
Yeah.
Very musical.
Actually, yeah.
I think I might go 1B.
I'd go 4B.
Tough. Oh, definitely 40. Tim Cahill's one of my favourites, and Gavin and Stacey.
Ooh. Wow.
4B, surely.
Oh. No, but you just want Ruth.
1B's good. I could swap with Tom. Be like, oh, do you want to be next to Hugh?
Tom would swap for
Yeah,
you.
he would swap.
But if I could pick anyone, I'd be in a sandwich between Gareth and Chris.